It's a quick video. I installed the shifter drum assembly in there. I believe it can only fit one way, so it should have been installed correctly. I'm having a difficulty getting all the gears, and the bike's not shifting correctly. So looking at the drum here, this is with the shift lever all the way down, so technically first gear. If I go up half a click, that should be neutral. Then clicks in a second, clicks in a third, clicks in a fourth, clicks in a fifth, and that's it. I'm not getting 6 gears out of this thing. So again, if I go down from whatever gear that is, I go down 1 gear, 2 gears, 3 gears, 4 gears, if that's neutral, and that's it. So it looks like it's a 5-speed at this point. I'm not able to get 6 gear, and this is a 2019 KTM 450 EXC 6 Days model. So it's a 6-speed transmission, and it's been a 6-speed transmission. I just don't know if there's a different part, or did I get the wrong part for the shift start. Thank you.